How to cash out on Lazada Wallet without the account being verified. The first things first is of course just access your Lazada application and make sure that you logged into your account in which you do have balance from your Lazada wallet. Now there are two things that you can do. The very first thing that you can do is just by heading directly to your Lazada wallet by pressing on this wallet logo located at the top right portion of your screen or directly to your account. Once you're on your account, just scroll down a bit till you find My Lazada Wallet and tap on View. So basically, you can actually withdraw any funds that you have from your available balance on your Lazada wallet as long as you will be able to pay the specific amount of the fee that you'll have to do before transferring the money over. Just go back to your home page and at the top right portion of your screen, tap on your Lazada wallet icon. Now in here, you just have to activate it, but you do not have to worry because it is not including your verified account. Just tap on activate, activate your wallet first before you can withdraw any funds from your Lazada wallet. So that's it. That's the most convenient way on cashing out Lazada wallet through a not verified account.